guys, it's Imran here from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you how to load a sales order into the truck. So we'll start with going in shipping and we'll go in loading. As you can see, we have lots of sales order over here, and loading count is 0, like no order is loaded into the truck. So we'll select an order. We can select whichever order we want to load into the truck. Let's say we'll take this order, and we want to send, we can send the whole order, or we can send an item for that order. We'll select that, and here we will select the truck, whichever truck we want to send in. So that's the test truck 1, and we'll hit load, and these both items are loaded into the truck. If you unload them, you have to click these 2 buttons to unload any of the item. Thank you. That's how we load a sales order into the truck. Thank you.